Hello everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Microsoft Surface Pro 4 tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Proper heating is the most important step in tablet repair to separate the screen from the body. For this, we are using a heating pad. In Surface Pro 4, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Please note that some devices may require extra heating to separate the screen. Once the heating is completed, place a suction cup on the side of the screen and gently lift. Be gentle in this process. Next, insert a couple of plastic car pry tools or triangular pickers into the gap and carefully cut through the adhesive around the frame. This process takes time. Be patient. While lifting the screen, be gentle. Flex cables are still connected to the logic board. Next, flip the screen to about 90 degrees and disconnect the LCD video and touchscreen connector plugs. First, take out both protector shields covering the connector plugs. Gently use a pry tool or tweezer for this process. Next, disconnect both LCD and touchscreen connectors from the logic board. And now you can free the screen from the body. Next, release the power from the logic board. Power release is optional, but disconnecting power is crucial for repairs. There is no physical plug to disconnect, but you can release the connection by lifting the board. Next, take out the shield using a tweezers. Next, remove the copper heatsink. First, undo 8 screws securing the heatsink. Next, gently pull out the heatsink from the body. Next, undo 5 screws securing the logic board. Next, gently lift the logic board to about half a centimeter using a pry tool. Lift the board and insert a small plastic piece between the board and the battery connector. In this way, you can release the power from the logic board.